Hi, I'm Natasha Denona. I am beyond excited to show and introduce you my new mini glam eyeshadow palette. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how I created this gradient glam eye makeup look using my new glam eyeshadow palette. So keep on watching. For the first step, I'm using Seed, my creamy matte formula, which is super soft and buttery, so you can really blend and smudge it onto the lower lash line, along the whole line. Work closely to the lashes and then work upwards, elongate and stretch out, and then close please. And we'll connect the lower lash line with the upper lash line. Now with the same shade, Seed, and the fluffier, larger brush, I'm diffusing and blending upwards into the crease, up, and inwards onto the center, towards the center of the lid, just to soften the edges. Now I want to show you how to pop up the inner corner. I want to teach you how to do that in a professional way. So I'm picking up FAYE. This is a sparkling, glammy eyeshadow, a warm champagne that is rich in crystals. And I'm pressing this really right into the deepest part of the inner corner of the eye and blending it upwards to the lid. And I'm going to define the lower inner corner, like really the top, the highest point of the inner lash line. So this will give this professional, beautiful pop of light. Next, I'm using ANJO. This is a super soft, buttery eyeshadow. You can really see how softly it blends endlessly. So it's like kind of a cream. You can apply it with a finger. And the perfect spot for this shade would be the continuation of the darker shade, which means like in the kind of outer center lid. And the last shade would be the Golden Flesh, a beautiful light bronze shade that I'm pressing onto the center eyelid. So we will achieve a beautiful gradient, smoky glam, and we're popping the whole lid into a super foiled metallic glam beauty look.